If you want to round rectangle corners in GIMP, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to create a rounded rectangle selection, adjust the corner radius, and then fill it with color on a new layer. This is perfect for making buttons, frames, banners, thumbnails, or any design element that needs smooth, clean corners instead of sharp edges. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple GIMP tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open GIMP and make sure you have your project ready. To start creating the shape, choose the Rectangle Select tool. You can do this by clicking the rectangle selection icon in the toolbox or by pressing R on your keyboard. Once the tool is active, look over to the Tool Options panel. Depending on your layout, this may appear on the left side or underneath the toolbox. In those options, find the rounded corner setting and check the box to turn it on. This is the key step that changes a normal rectangle into a rounded one. Now that rounded corners are enabled, you can control exactly how soft or curved the corners will look. Locate the radius slider in the tool options. If you increase the radius, the corners become more rounded. If you keep it lower, the shape stays closer to a regular rectangle with only a slight curve. Take a moment to adjust it based on the look you want. For a subtle modern style, use a smaller radius. For a more pronounced rounded button or card shape, raise it a bit more. After that, go to your canvas and click and drag to draw the selection box. As you drag, you'll see the rounded rectangle selection appear on the screen. Try to position it carefully so it fits the area you want to design. If it doesn't look right the first time, don't worry. You can simply click elsewhere and draw it again until the size and shape are exactly how you want them. Once your rounded rectangle selection is ready, the next step is to fill it with color. For best results, create a new layer first. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N or by going to the Layer menu and adding a new layer manually. Working on a new layer keeps your design flexible and makes it much easier to edit later without affecting the rest of your image. With the new layer selected, choose a color from your palette, then drag and drop that color directly into the selection. GIMP will fill the rounded rectangle area with the selected color, giving you a clean shape with smooth corners. If needed, you can repeat the process with different colors, change the radius, or make a second rounded rectangle for another part of your design. And that's it! You now know how to round rectangle corners in GIMP using the Rectangle Select tool, the Rounded Corners option, the Radius slider, and a simple color fill on a new layer. It's a fast and easy technique, but it can make a huge difference in the look of your graphics. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.